Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be going over the FOMC SBS model today. FOMC came out earlier. The Fed dropped the basis points or whatever by like half a basis or half of whatever, 0.5 basis points, which should be pretty good for the long term. So not great action this morning, right? I never like to trade pre-market or really at all on FOMC day leading up to FOMC. And then we had the FOMC come out at 2, okay? And on the 1 minute chart, there was 2 perfect SBS setups that we're gonna be going over right now, okay? So before we get into it, please like and subscribe. Join the Discord down below. And again, I'll leave some discounts and links for some prop firms. If you guys could use my code down below, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so jumping into it, what did we talk about the other day, right? We need a breakout, okay? So here's a swing point right here. This happened at 2:03, so right after FOMC came out. Had our breakout, okay? What is this, right? This is our number 1. Number 1's our breakout. Number 2 is a first tap back into the zone. Where'd we tap back in? Right here, right? Okay. Now our number 3 is going to be when we take out number 1. Where do we take out number 1? Right here, right? Swing point here. Okay. Now, where's our 4? Okay, this is after we see our 3 form. What do? We take our fib, draw it out from the high to the low, right here. Okay, where's our 4? Our 4 is going to be when it's above 2, when we break above 2 and tap the fib. Tap the 0.618 on the fib here, okay? Take a short right there. You can go for 1 to 1, leave runners 1 to 2, okay? Or 1 to 1.6, technically not 1 to 2. Okay, that worked out beautifully. Okay, see how that's set up? We even had a number 5 here for confirmation. 5 is a double top, double bottom reversal sign, and usually it's a good short signal after we like break a swing. Okay, break a low, break a high, right here, right? We break down. Okay, now we're gonna move lower. Okay, it's more of that extra confirmation. Okay, so beautiful trade there. Again, breakout, first tap into this area, right? Take out 1, and then we take out 2. Okay. Now, where's our next trade? Okay, on the 1 minute time frame again, right here, we had a swing point, right? We broke this. Okay, this is our 1. Okay, right here is our 1. What happens next? We need a first tap back into the zone, right? That's here, right here. We tap back in, right? And if you lower it down onto like a 30-second, you'll see it easier. Okay. So we break out here, we tap back in here, okay? That's 2. Time is fractal, right? So I knew on a 1 minute chart, it's gonna tap, right? And if you go down to like a 30-second or a 15-second, this tap is gonna be a swing point, okay? So on a 30-second, just for you guys to visually see better, we have a 1, 2, right? What's next? We need our 3. 3 is when we break above 1. So right there, okay? 3 there. What do we do after we see 3, right? We draw our fib from the high to the low, or the low to the high in this case here. Took a little drawdown here, but overall, I would say it held this pretty well, right? Held this 0.618 pretty well. So here we go. Take a long, target 1 to 1, and then 1 to 1.6 towards the high. And again, what did we have here? We had the 4 when we took out 2, right? Okay, so this would be our 4. Oops. This would be our 4 here. So this ended up winning. We moved that to the side. So 4 once we took out the 2, right here, right? See the 2's there. And then the 5 is a double bottom, right here. Double bottom, kind of break above kind of these candles here, right? And we move higher, right? So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just remember that. Okay, those are the main 2 I wanted to talk about today. Wanted to keep it short. Wanted to keep it concise, okay? So remember, breakout, tap back into the zone, take out number 1, and take out number 2. And once you see your number 3, you draw that fib, okay? We can scan, we can see if there's anything else that we see over here. Looks like we have a breakdown here. I had someone in the last video ask why I wouldn't have drawn like this, for example, like here is a breakout, right? So we had a breakout, then a first tap, but we never continued higher above this, right? So this would be our 1, then our 2. We never broke back above 1, so that doesn't matter, okay? Right here, what do we have, okay? We had our 1 on the breakout here. Then what? We had our 2. We tap back into the zone. That's right here. Then what? 3, right? 3, we take out number 1. That's right here. Now what? Okay. Draw the fib from the recent high to the recent low to the 3. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Draw from either point here. They're basically the same. Okay. When they're this close, I usually just go from here just in case we do reject that. Like, it's going to be a tick or 2 more. Okay. Anyway. So draw from this high to the 3. Okay. What do we do? What do we do? We pull back in. We tap this perfectly, 0 drawdown. What happens? Instantly hits the target. Okay, you set limit orders at your 0.618, instantly hits the target. This is just FOMC today. I'm not cherry picking these. I haven't even looked I didn't even see this one earlier. So 1, 2, 3. Then we had the 4. Okay, and kind of had a 5 here. Okay, but we just instantly dumped after that, right? And then that was kind of it. And the market just kind of chopped, right? So 3 moves, 3 winners, FOMC. All right. Please like and subscribe. Stick to this strategy. It's very simple. And I promise you, you'll be making money within a couple months using this strategy, okay? So like, subscribe, check the discounts down below for the prop firms, and I'll see you guys.